her snore. She was snoring until I started video. Maggie's sleeping. Looks like it's gonna be a quiet Saturday. Dude sleeping. They chewed my shoe. Gabby's awake. Gabby girls, what are you doing? You were snoring, Gabby girls. Gabby girls. You tired, baby girls? You tired? Oh, babies. She's tired today. Well, it's still early. I don't feel too good today. I have a sore throat and a headache. So it might be a lazy day staying home. Looks like they chewed up something over there on the couch. Dogs are out there chewing. They love to chew. She's gonna go to sleep, I guess. Well, there you go, folks. That's what my morning's like. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out.